It's those cultists who are with the necromancer. What are they doing to that mine?
Let's not wait to find out. Attack!
Damn these intruders. They must not interfere with the Master's plan.
Let's build a base camp here. With those cultists creeping around, I'd rather not head in there without backup.
I couldn't agree more.
Yes, my lord. What is it?
Justice shall be done. A sound plan.
Show us a time, of course.
The light is my strength. Certainly.
Say the
Justice
word.
shall
Is
be
someone
done.
Where do you
I
want
can
us?
What?
Yes, my lord. More work.
Is there danger?
Is my aid required? Yes, my lord.
I stand for the light. For honor.
What do you need? More work. Job's done. What is it?
I'm here to help. Of course.
What?
The light is my strength. For honor. Certainly. Of course.
What's the plan?
I stand for the light.
Let's get to fighting.
What ails? Justice shall be done. Certainly.
I can help. You asked for it.
Say the word.
I'm here to help.
What do you need?
I stand for the light. Of course.
Job's done. What is it? Off I go then. Yes, my lord. All right.
The light is my strength. For honor. Of course.
Ready to work.
Feel my wrath.
That's curious. I hate resorting to violence.
Justice shall be done.
My aid required. Orders. Ready to work.
The light is my strength.
What's the plan?
I'm here to help. A sound plan. Justice has come.
Job's done.
For honor. Is there danger?
Ready to work. What? Yes, my lord. More work.
I stand for the light.
What is it? Yes, my lord. Ready to work. Off I go then.
I'm here to help. Is there danger? A sound plan. Of course.
Yes, my friend.
Ready for action.
What? Ready to work. What is it? Yes, my lord. What is it? More work. Righto. More work.
I'm here to help.
Yes, my lord.
I stand for the light.
What is it?
Is there danger? The light is my strength. Justice shall be done.
Yes, my lord. What? Job's done.
The light is my strength. Certainly. I stand for the light.
Shh. I'm trying to think here.
I'm here to help.
I can help.
The light is my strength.
More gold is
Justice shall
Say
be
the
done.
word.
Job's done.
Is there danger? For honor. Certainly.
That's curious.
You need. On my way.
You asked for
I
it.
stand for the light.
Where do you want us?
The light is my strength. I stand for the light.
Yes, my liege. Lock the knife! Attack!
I'm here to help. The light is my strength. For honor. I'm here to help. I stand for the light. Of course.
What is it? All right. Yes,
I'm
my
here to
lord.
help. A sound plan. For honor. A sound plan. For honor. Of course. For honor.
Lock the forces are
Light
under
is my
attack!
strength.
That's curious.
Is there danger? Is someone injured? I stand for the
The
light.
plan.
Justice shall be done.
Job's done.
I can help.
Is there danger?
Ready for action.
A sound plan.
That's curious. I'll take care of it.
Upgrade complete.
I stand for the light. Of course.
Research
honor.
I can help.
The light is my strength. Of course. Certainly.
What's the plan? Sounds interesting.
I stand for the light. For honor.
Say the word. Build more bombs.
What? Righto. Yes, me lord.
Our forces
Yes,
are under
Light is my
attack.
strength. A sound plan. For honor. Is there danger? Of course. A sound plan.
What do you need? Build more bombs.
What? Righto. Yes, me lord. More work. All right. What?
The light is my strength. I'm here to help. For my father, the king.
Our forces are under attack.
Feel my wrath. I stand for the light.
Job's done.
Betrayer of the light.
For honor. Certainly. For honor. Of course. The light is my strength.
Job's done. What is it?
More gold is
Righto.
required.
Yes, me lord.
More gold is required.
All right.
I'm here to help. A sound
Yes,
plan.
Show us a target.
I can help. Sounds good.
Aye, my lord. To arms!
I stand for the light.
Yes, my lord.
What's the plan?
I'm here to help. Certainly.
More work.
Justice shall be done.
Aye,
For
sir.
honor.
You have a target?
Certainly. I'm here to help. For honor.
Locked and loaded.
Is there
Research
danger?
complete.
A sound plan. Certainly.
Yes, me lord.
Our forces are under
The light is
attack.
my strength. A sound plan. Foul name.
I'll take care of it.
I stand for the light. Is there danger?
Say the word.
Certainly. I stand for the light.
Yes, my liege.
A sound plan.
Job's done.
Justice shall be done.
Our forces are under
Certainly.
attack. You are past redemption.
I can help.
Forces are under attack.
Justice.
That's curious. I'll check it out.
I stand for the light.
Research complete.
Certainly. Of course. Certainly. For honor. Of course. For honor. Certainly. For honor. Certainly.
forces are
What?
under attack.
What is it? Yes, me lord. All right. Righto. What is it? All right. Righto.
I'm here to help. Justice shall be done. A sound plan. Is there
Ready
danger?
for action.
I come to cleanse for honor.
What do you think?
I stand for the light. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan.
What do you need?
The light is my strength. Certainly.
Job's done.
Of course. Certainly.
Say the word. Aye, sir.
Is my aid required?
Of course.
I'm here to help.
All work. What? Job
Justice
done.
shall be done. Is there danger?
What ails As you wish.
What do you need?
Justice shall
Aye,
be done.
sir. Time to go.
Is someone
Right
injured?
away.
Let's get
Of
to
course.
I
fighting.
stand for the light.
What do you need?
Shh, I'm trying to think here.
I'm here to
Aye,
help.
my lord. More lumber is required.
What ails you?
Is there danger?
More lumber is required.
More work. What? Yes, me
What?
lord. Yes, me lord.
More lumber is required.
I'm here to help.
Yes, my friend.
Say the
I
word.
stand for the light. The light. A sound plan.
More lumber
What
is
ails
required.
Justice shall be done.
Is someone injured?
Is there danger?
Where do you want us?
What ails you?
I'm here to help. Of course. A sound plan. For my father, the king. Foul.
Is my aid required?
Is there danger?
I come to cleanse.
What?
Is someone injured?
I'm your shooter. Our forces are
I
under
stand
attack.
for the light. Of course.
Is my aid What required? ails you?
Build more bombs. Let's get to fighting.
What is it? Righto.
I'm here to help.
Is my aid required?
Is there danger?
I am your servant.
Show us a target.
I'm here to help.
Yes,
I
my
come
friend. To cleanse this land. Of course.
Let's get to fighting.
The light is my strength.
What ails you?
Is there danger?
You have a target? Take that, yes.
Is someone
I'm here to help.
Show us a target. Build more. We're dead. Hello.
Job done.
Porter.
What ails?
I stand for the light.
You are past.
Yes, my friend.
Justice shall be done.
Show us a target.
I'm here to help. For honor.
Feel my wrath. Where do you want us?
Is someone
Justice
injured?
shall be done.
Let's get to fighting.
Is there danger?
I'm your shooter. I've got the beast in my
stand
sight.
Job done.
Certainly. For my father, the king. Is there danger?
Hello. You made the right choice.
I stand for the light. For honor.
Where do you want
Is
us?
my aid required?
More work.
The light is my strength.
Show us a tentacle. Me too!
That's curious. Sounds good.
I'm here to help.
Where do you want us? Come on, Starlight. On our way!
Is someone injured?
Let's get to fighting. It's already.
I can help.
What do you need? Attack!
I stand for
What ails you?
Say the word.
the light.
I am your servant. Of course.
Hello! Where do you
Is
want
my
us?
aid required?
What do you need? Let's get to fight you! I got shoot the cow!
This shall be done.
You have a target? I've got the beast in my sights! Show us a target. Our forces are under attack.
Is someone injured?
Is there danger?
Aye, sir. Where do you want
What
us?
ails you?
The light is my strength. Of course.
Ready for action.
Yes, my friend.
Feel my wrath. Be gone, spawn of
I
darkness.
stand for the light.
I come to cleanse this land.
What do you need?
I'm here to help.
Betrayer of the light.
Is someone injured?
By the power of the light, burn.
Is there danger?
Yes, my friend.
I'm here to help.
Is my aid
there danger?
required?
Hello again, children. I am Kel'Thuzad, and I've come to deliver a warning. Leave well enough alone. Your curiosity will be the death of you.
Are you responsible for this plague, Necromancer? Is this cult your doing?
Yes, I ordered the Cult of the Damned to distribute the plagued grain. But the sole credit is not mine.
What do you mean?
I serve the Dreadlord, Mal'Ganis. He commands the scourge that will cleanse this land and establish a paradise of eternal darkness.
And what exactly is this scourge meant to cleanse?
Why, the living, of course. His plan is already in motion. Seek him out at Stratholme if you need further proof.
Certainly.
Ready for action.
Yes, my friend.
For honor. Of
Is
course.
someone
I
injured?
stand for the light.
All
The
gold
light
is
is my
supplied.
strength.
Yes, my friend.
Now feel my wrath.
All the granaries are empty. The shipments have already been sent out. Or too late.
My
For the
wrath.
light.
Want the money. Yes, my liege.
The light is my
Is
strength.
someone injured?
Justice shall be done. I'm here to help.
Is my aid required?
Justice shall be done. For honor.
Yes, my friend. As you wish.
Is there danger?
What ails you?
The power of the light, burn.
The light is my strength.
Is my aid required?
Justice shall be done.
What do you need? I, my
The
lord.
light is my strength.
Right. On my way.
Is someone injured?
I'm here to help.
Research complete.
Of course. The light is my strength.
Is my aid required?
Is there danger?
Foul name. I'm your son. What do you think?
What's the plan?
Justice shall be done.
Say the word. You have a target? Yes, my liege.
Is there danger?
Say the word.
A sound plan.
Is someone injured?
Be gone, spawn of darkness. Now feel my wrath.
Is my strength.
What ails you?
By the power of the light, burn. Be gone, spawn of darkness. Now feel
I
my
stand
wrath.
for the light.
I'll check it out.
Is there danger?
Yes,
I'm
my
here to
friend.
help.
Is someone injured?
I stand for the light.
Naive fool. My death will make little difference in the long run. For now, the scourging of this land begins.
Ah!